Hi. Thank you so much. Do you want my number? You want my number? Look, I can't give mine. I can give you my Instagram, sure. What? I don't think there's network, but that's my ID.
See you around. Yeah, we were actually doing a video. We're doing this now video where we like talk to pretty girls without saying anything. So just to prove a point, the guys think that, oh, what's the right thing to say? And I wanted to like be like, you know,